If you want to decorate your home for fall but don't want to spend a lot of money, you can head to the dollar store. They have so many great options. My town recently got a pop shelf store and they have so many great items. I cannot wait to show you. Pumpkins, you do not have to spend a lot of money on these. Here at Pop Shelf, they have these fabric ones from $5 to $10. Let me show you some really great ones you could pick up. This one's only $3. This one's really cute too. Love the kind of like burnt orange color. These Sherpa ones are $5. They even have a faux leather option. The larger one is 10, smaller is 5. A stacked pumpkin might be a great option for $12. Even more pumpkin options over here. These are glass. How gorgeous is this? $8 would look so pretty sitting out on your table. And this one is $15. For just $3, you can get 2 of these really pretty tapered candles. I'm gonna change out these white pillar candles for these fall ones. Now, a hack I wanted to show you, if you put your candle in here and for some reason it's not big enough and it moves around, this is what you can do. Take a rubber band and you're gonna wrap it around the base of your candle. This one I'm gonna wrap around about 3 times, and then you're going to stick it into your candle stand and it's gonna hold it upright. Is this a rug? Look at this, you guys. $10 for this cute little pumpkin rug. Is Pop Shelf watching my DIY videos? I literally just made this. I want to tell you about a new company I'm working with, the Poster Store, and thank them for sponsoring today's video. I have this wall in my basement with nothing on it. I moved in a seating area because I thought these chairs looked nice and it was looking out onto a window, but now what to do with the wall behind it? It needed a gallery wall, so I headed to the Poster Store's website. They have so many different prints and posters to choose from. My favorite section on their website is the gallery wall section. They have so many different ideas to choose from. So that's what I did. I picked one of the gallery walls that I liked and I added everything to my cart, including the frames. The Poster Store is constantly putting out new collections weekly. My box arrived and they ship worldwide, and if you're within the US, they'll ship it out within 2 to 4 days. The posters were really easy to put together in my prints. I just matched up the poster with the frame that I bought. All the posters are printed on high quality and sustainably produced paper. Whenever I'm putting together a gallery wall, I like to lay it out on the floor first, just to make sure I know what I'm doing before I hang it on the wall. I'll be using the command claw hooks to hang my posters on the wall. You just press the foam onto the wall where you want to hang it and then put the claw clip on top of it. I'm going to start by hanging my first print in the middle and I'll work my way to the outside. The best part about the Poster Store is they have so many prints to choose from on their website. You could go with a nature look like I did or go in a completely different direction. The Poster Store is running an awesome discount for my followers. You can get a 45% discount on prints. This is valid until midnight on September 22nd. Just make sure to use my code at checkout, Liz Fenwick. I'm gonna put the link to get to the Poster Store down in the description box. Dollar Tree, we need our florals organized like this. Look at these gorgeous containers, and then you have all your florals for fall. Look at these eucalyptus, and you can even get them in this pretty purple fall color. Let's see how much these are. $4 for each stem. The pots here range from $1 to $5. These gold leaves are great high-end dupes as well, only $2. So many options for pumpkin filler. These are great to sit out with different displays. I always love having some of these white pumpkins on hand. Wood items are really trendy at the high-end stores, and they can be pricey. If you can find them here at a dollar store, like this little fall tray would be perfect to sit out. I love the dark wood, and it's only $10. Let me show you how to style this wood tray. Now, when you're adding wood trays to your decor, if you can find a piece that's white, or in this case, I'm kind of putting it on the white and the blue of the book, it really helps to make that wood tray stand out. And I'm gonna put it on here, kind of catty corner. Next, I'm gonna add a greenery sprig that we picked up in the floral section. And then these are the $5 pumpkins that I found. I'm gonna add 3, and that's gonna play off the white of my table. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is fall. Don't forget about the dollar store when it comes to decorating your table for the fall. There's so many great options, and they're ceramic. They're really nice. Let me show you a few of my favorites. This white serving bowl is only $8. Love these gorgeous plates, $3. They also have coordinating bowls. This is $3. This would be great for all your utensils. It's very subtle, $10. Check out this tray. This would be perfect for your centerpiece, only $4 and a really trendy color for fall. Don't forget about the fabrics here at the dollar store. You can buy them cheaper here than anywhere online, even at Home Goods. These are $15, super cute, love the plaid. There's also a pumpkin one available. How adorable are these dish towels? You get 2 for $4. This wood crate is only $12. I love getting my florals at the dollar store. These are great and very realistic. Just add them to a beautiful vase, and that's all you need to do, and it really dresses up your home for fall. Let's see if we can find a vase for these florals. This one is super cute. Let's see if there's anything over here on this side. These are great options as well. I think I'm leaning more towards this one. Let's add in these harvest florals. I'm gonna get 2 packs, and then I'm also going to pick up the vase for $8. This is very unique and cool. I may have to swap out my vase for this one. So I couldn't decide on a vase, so we're gonna try out both of them and see which one we like best. With the florals I got, they're a little bit long for these smaller vases, so I'm gonna cut them in half and place them into my vases. Let me know which one's your favorite, the brown or the green. Make sure you paint that subscribe button. If you're watching me on your phone, the subscribe button is right next to my channel name. Click the red subscribe button so it goes from red to gray. You can also click the notification bell so you can see more videos like my Dollar Tree DIYs, home hacks, and room makeovers. I love this plaid Sherpa pumpkin. It's $12, but pretty large. Now, I never want to spend a lot of money on Halloween decor, and I always buy it at the dollar store. Here at the Pop Shelf, they have so many cool things that I haven't seen at Dollar Tree. I love this all black wreath. You see this a lot at high-end stores, and you could even take it up a notch and add some black bats. Oh, this is cute. One of my favorite things to do at the dollar store is find Pottery Barn dupes. These ghost mugs, they have something very similar at the Pottery Barn, so don't spend your money, buy it at the dollar store. How cute are these little ghost coasters? They're wood, and you get a pack of 4 for $8. I came over to the spooky section to style this $4 tray. Now they have these really cute black candles. This one's $5, this little one's $3. I think I'm gonna go with the larger one. And then I also found this ghost candle. That one's $5. And then they have candy down here. So let's get some lollipop rings. I just spotted the Halloween towels. Let me know, would you guys go fall or Halloween? If you've never shopped at a Pop Shelf before, they have the cutest dinnerware. I'm gonna blow your mind with all of these adorable finds. This bowl is super trendy. You can just sit it out with your decor. You guys know blue is one of my favorite colors. I just think this is so gorgeous. Set it out with your fruit, so pretty. You could get all of your dishes in this black and white pattern. They're so pretty. They have the polka dot plates. They also have more of this stripe pattern. And then you have your basics. You have your white and your black. And then you also have gorgeous trays like this. And then you can throw in a pattern bowl. This would look so pretty sitting out together. I'm just so overwhelmed with the cuteness, you guys. There are so many vases over here. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to show them all to you in this video. Check out this set of peach bowls, ceramic fruit containers, and look over here. These little wood planters, just put a few little stems in there. So cute, only $3. What are these? It looks like, is this a candle? I feel like that's a candle. $7, really pretty. Hello, this gold stand. You can find some really high quality items here. Now they're gonna be more expensive than say Dollar Tree. Like this is a real marble cake stand. It has a wood base. It's $20, absolutely gorgeous, but it's a lot cheaper than buying it in the high-end stores. Check out these stackable bins. You get 2 bins with these bamboo tops for $10. These are gorgeous. So it's not fall related, but I just bought this little organizer for my to-do list and it's working out really well. I think I'm gonna buy another one. Have you guys seen these Greek statue planters? They have them on Anthropologie's website. I'm gonna show you how you could style this in your home. Here at Pop Shelf, they're $15. So we're gonna add in some greenery. Let me know, would you put this in your home? So I'm trying out different greenery options. I don't think this one's gonna work. Let's try this smaller one. That one looks pretty good. I hope I gave you some great ideas to decorate your home this year for fall, and don't be afraid to try that project you've always wanted to try. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. I hope you subscribe because I want to see you back here. Bye.